Hey everyone, this is the voice of Bernanda Lapallo's granddaughter, and I'm just giving you a heads up because it has arrived. There is a new Cacao Crunch treat that is organic, raw, vegan. It's 100% herbal nutrition, and it contains 240% of your energy for vitamin B12 and 72% of vitamin C. It has no gluten, no soy, no GMOs, no trans fat, and Valentine's Day is around the corner. I'm going to put a complete list of ingredients underneath the description or in the description of this video. It does contain walnuts and some nut products. So if that is an issue for you and you're one of those people that's allergic to nuts, you should beware. The three main flavorful ingredients in these 12 individually wrapped treats are chocolate, or cacao, I should say, carob, and cherry. So there's free shipping for the entire month of February, just in time for Valentine's Day. And if you use the code, the reversion code, the online link, and the code that I am going to put in the description, you can also get an additional 15% off. So that'll bring the price down significantly for you. Normally they're $26, but take 15% off and you can snack away. All right, that's it.